All right, today we're working on a box Chevy. As you can see, the dashboard is completely cracked. I'm gonna pull it out, repair it, wrap it, and try to make it look brand new.
Years of heat, sun, and time completely destroyed this dash. Cracks everywhere, warped edges, dry rotted spots all through it. And the crazy part is, most people would think this thing is beyond saving. But before I can even wrap it, I gotta figure out how to bring all of this back smooth again.
Oh, if this goes wrong, we're gonna end up making it completely worse. All right, I haven't took the dashboard out in a minute, so I don't know if it separates, or I'm hoping just the top comes up. But I'm just gonna start taking stuff apart and then we'll go from there. So first I'm gonna take these screws out right here. We're gonna pray that I don't have to take off the whole dash.
Oh.
Okay, I see two, maybe 8 millimeters. So I'm gonna go remove those and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, what I was trying to do was get in close so y'all can see this. It's a 7 millimeter. Yeah, my shop is pretty messy, so I can't find my power tool right now. Okay, so we got one right there and another one. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. I'm gonna remove.
Now that the dash is finally out the car, you can really see how bad it is. Every crack, every low spot, every damaged area is fully exposed now. So before any material goes on this thing, I gotta smooth everything out and rebuild the surface the right way.
Okay, it looks smooth, but it's definitely not ready yet. All right, now that we got it all prepped, let's start rebuilding it. So this right here is either where you fix the dash or completely ruin it.
I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install. And now the hard part starts. The dash is finally smooth, repaired, and ready for the final wrap. In part 2, I'm going to show you how to stretch the material, wrap the curves, and bring this whole thing back to life. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss it. And if part 2 is already up, it'll be right here on the left side of the screen. If not, check out one of our other custom interior installs.